Welcome to YQ Academy Core Java Interview Questions and Answers. 1. Explain about static imports in Java. Static imports in Java allow you to access static members, fields, and methods of a class directly without qualifying them with the class name. It provides a way to import static members in a similar way to how regular imports are used for classes and interface. By using the import static statement, you can import specific static members from a class, making them available for direct use in your code without explicitly referencing the class name. Example to illustrate the usage of static imports. In this example, we import the static members Pi and Sqrt from the Java Lang Math class. This allows us to directly use Pi and Sqrt in our code without referencing the math class. 2. Can we define static methods inside interface? Starting from Java 8, it is possible to define static methods inside an interface in Java. These static methods are called static interface methods or static methods in interface. Static methods in interface allow you to define utility methods or common functionality that can be shared among multiple classes implementing the interface. They can be called directly on the interface itself without the need for an instance of the implementing class. It's important to note that static methods in interface cannot access instance-level variables or methods of the interface. They can only access other static members or constants defined within the interface. 3. Define interface in Java. An interface is a programming construct that defines a contract or a set of rules for classes to follow. It specifies a collection of abstract methods that must be implemented by any class that wants to adhere to the interface. An interface can also contain constant fields and default methods. To implement an interface, a class uses the implements keyword followed by the interface name. The class must provide an implementation for all the abstract methods declared in the interface. 4. What is the purpose of interface? 1. Abstraction. Interface allow you to define abstract behavior without specifying the implementation details. By providing a set of method signatures without the method bodies, interface enable you to achieve abstraction and separate the what from the how in your code. 2. Encapsulation. Interface provide a way to encapsulate related methods and constants into a single unit. This helps in organizing code and promoting modular and maintainable designs. 3. Contract. Interface define a contract that classes must follow. Any class implementing an interface must provide an implementation for all the methods declared in the interface. This ensures consistency and interoperability among classes that implement the same interface. 4. Polymorphism. Interface play a crucial role in achieving polymorphism in Java. They allow objects of different classes to be treated as objects of the same interface type, enabling code to be written in a generic and flexible way. 5. Multiple inheritance. Java supports multiple inheritance of interface, allowing a class to implement multiple interface. This feature enables a class to inherit and implement behavior from multiple sources, providing flexibility and code reusability. 5. Explain features of interface in Java. 1. Method signatures. Interface define method signatures without providing the implementation details. They specify the name, return type, and parameters of the methods that implementing classes must adhere to. 2. Constants. Interface can contain constant variables, which are implicitly public, static, and final. These constants can be accessed by implementing classes. 3. Multiple inheritance. Java allows a class to implement multiple interface, providing a way to inherit behavior from multiple sources. This enables the concept of multiple inheritance through interface. 4. Abstraction. Interface allow for abstraction by providing a way to define behavior without specifying the implementation details. Implementing classes provide the actual implementation of the methods defined in the interface. 5. Polymorphism. Interface enable polymorphism by allowing objects of different classes to be treated as objects of the same interface type. This allows for writing generic code that can operate on objects of different classes that implement the same interface. 6. Contracts. Interface servers contracts that specify a set of rules that implementing classes must follow. This promotes consistency and interoperability among classes that implement the same interface. 7. Default methods. Starting from Java 8, interface can also contain default methods, which provide a default implementation for a method. Default methods allow for adding new methods to existing interface without breaking the code of implementing classes. 6. Explain enumeration in Java. Enumeration is a special data type that represents a group of named constants. It is a way to define a set of predefined values that a variable can take. Enumerations provide a convenient and type-safe way to work with a fixed set of values. They are defined using the enum keyword. Each constant value in the enumeration is declared as a named value of the enumeration type. Enumerations can also have additional properties, methods, and constructors. Example of defining and using an enumeration in Java. In this example, the day enumeration represents the days of the week. We declare a variable today of type day and assign it the value day. Monday. We can compare the value of today with the predefined constants of the day enumeration using the equality operator ==. We can also use the enumeration values in conditional statements or any other places where we need to work with a fixed set of values. 7. Explain benefits of enumeration in Java. 1. Type safety. The compiler checks that only valid enumeration values are used, preventing programming errors. 2. Readability. Enumerations provide self-descriptive names for values, making the code more readable and maintainable. 3. Easy iteration. Enumerations can be easily iterated over using a for loop, allowing for convenient processing of all the values. 4. Switch statements. Enumerations can be used in switch statements, providing a clean and concise way to handle different cases based on the enumeration value. 5. Enum methods. Enumerations can have methods, allowing for additional behavior to be associated with each constant value. This is the end of our Java interview questions. We hope you enjoyed learning with YQ Academy. Until next time, goodbye.